Well, what has this theater meant to you?
Well, I'm 71 years old now, and when I was a little kid, I don't know, when my grandma and grandfather started raising me, after I was older, I used to come to this, I won't say every day, every week, every new movie after I was old enough to do that by myself or something. My grandmother, because they were tired of raising me, that wasn't fair for my dad to put me with them, and so they used to give me money to go to movies all the time, and they'd go do something, you know. So I actually grew up in that movie house.